waking on the edge of a knife. I've been waiting for this all my life. I feel it in my veins, feel it in my blood. No, I can't stop till I'm good and done. I'm gonna push it harder, gonna climb up higher. It's like I just can't I was made for this. I show the world I'm stronger. Prove it to 'em I'm a fighter. I can't help but win. I was made for this. I was made for this. I was made for this.
Nagkakilala kami nung college sa PSU. Naging magkaklase kami sa ibang mga subjects. And crush niya yata ako eh.
So, naging friends kami. Hanggang sa naging close friends. And then, hindi na namin namamalayan, nagiging mas close pa kami. At yun, dumating yung time na niligawan ko na siya.
Naging friends kami, naging close kami. Then yun, hindi namin namalayan or hindi ko namalayan na nagkakagusto na siya sa akin. And eventually, ako rin nagkagusto na sa kanya. Kasya tayo.
Mahal ito talaga.
Ako, yung gown.
Yung gown. Sana di ka magbago.
Kayo nga, kailan kayo? Nag-ipon na kayo?
Ipon, limang taon pang paghintay.
Siyempre naman, grabe ka naman. Balat lang ng mangga eh.
Pati singkamas.
Kainin na natin yung balat.
Pati yung kamatis chopping board mo pa.
Well. Wow! Uy, ito na yung letter.
English eh. We've both grown together through these years. I am looking forward to maturing even more with you. See you later. I love you. Love you! Google talaga to. English. Love, Nata France J. Tagyam, may pirma pa.
To Nata France Tagyam. Oh, kompleto. Hi, walang iyakan mamaya ha? Baka umiyak. Alam kong itong gift giving ang isa sa mga most awaited part mo sa wedding day. Bukod sa you may now kiss the bride. Meron. May hindi pa siya nabanggit. Siyempre yung after wedding. I love you from Joy Jairis. Si Tagyam. Later.
Your love is greater. Your love is stronger.
I vow to always pursue you, to always serve you, to always love and respect you, to share my whole heart with you, and to remember to show you how deeply I care for you, no matter what the challenges that may come our way. I love you.
So awaken to me. And what a love we found. Death can't hold us down. We shout it out. We're alive 'cause you're alive. What a love we found.
I promise to be more patient with you, lalo na pag tinuturuan kita sumayaw or kumanta. I can't wait to be your wife. I love you.
Greater and stronger. Your love awakens to me.
Thank you kasi sinusupport mo lahat ng gusto ko sa dreams ko, sa career. At asahan mo na ako rin ganon sa'yo. Isusupport din kita. Hala, naiyak na na. Yun lang.
I'm sending a raven, blackbird in the sky, sending a signal that I'm here, some sign of life.
Ala, tumulo na yung luha ko. Nasaan yung...
Kung may mga pagkakamali man, hindi na natin pinapalaki yun. Tapos, ayun, ina-admit na lang natin kung sino may kasalanan. Then, yun, we learn together. And we mature together.
I'm so far from home, so far from home.
Magmula ngayon, maliban sa Diyos, ang pinakamataas na katapatan ni Nata ay para kay Joy. At ang pinakamataas na katapatan ni Joy ay para kay Nata.
You in time, and you know what it means.
As we continue to grow our lives together, I cannot promise to be a perfect wife. But I promise to always care for you and our families as long as we live.
Just know that I tried. I'm so far from home, so far from home. Now where I belong.
Ngayon, magiging mag-asawa na tayo. Marami pa tayong mga kakaharapin, mga challenges. Pero yung mga challenges na yun, hindi yun magiging hadlang para sa mga pangarap natin. Sabihin natin i-work out yung relationship natin. Tapos, ayun, see you later. I love you, Han.
The air is cold, the night is long. I feel like I might fade into the dawn. Fade until I'm gone.
I love you and see you later. Excited akong makita ka na naghihintay doon sa harap sa akin.